welcome to the channel. Booyah everyone! Guess what? Bitcoin's price just break out $10,000. Yeah! Let's go guys! Let's go! Let's go everyone! Let's go! If you are new here, make sure you guys subscribe. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway. And also when I reach 10,000 subscribers, I'll give one of you guys a graphic card. So make sure you guys click the subscribe button. If you're already a subscriber, thank you guys so much for the support and keep watching my videos. Make sure you guys smash the like button. So like always, let me show you guys my mining speed. So all my miners are mining for EcoHash. The total speed is 2,160 SOL per second. The payout amount, it shows 0.0018 bitcoins per day and 0.0484 bitcoins per month. And for almost 24 hours, there's a subscriber, he donate me some hash rate. So here's the video guys. And the SATYT channel is one of my subscribers, and his channel is Simplified Awesome Tech. So make sure you guys go check it out. I'll leave a link in the description. And he's helping me to mine EcoHash. The speed is 377 SOL per second. That's really cool guys. I mean, this is the first person who helped me to mine, so I really appreciate. Big shout out to Simple Awesome Tech. Thank you for donating some hash rate. Here's his channel and you guys can check it out. He just started. If you guys can show him some love, I'm pretty sure he will be really happy to see that. And this is my NastHash internal wallet address. If you guys want to mine directly to my wallet, and this is the address, I'll make a copy of this and leave in the description. Make sure you guys leave your name there. I'll give you a shout out in my next video. And today Bitcoin's price break out $10,000 guys. What did I tell you guys? What did I tell you 2 weeks ago? Because I know it will reach back to $10,000, and today in the morning it break out $10,000 again. By the time I'm making the video, the price is $10,030. Today I checked, the highest price it was $10,200. But right now it goes back down a little bit, since in 1 week it from the lowest point $7,900 jumped to $10,000 everyone. So it needs some time to take a break, you know. It goes back down a little bit and maybe take off again. This is why I was having all the party things at the beginning of the video to celebrate we break out $10,000 again. And today I'm going to teach you guys how to sell bitcoins without any transaction fees. So first, I'm assuming all you guys mining directly to your NastHash wallet, because you gotta pay out every 0.001 bitcoins. You are gonna pay out every day. So on the website it shows you guys you all got paid 0.001 bitcoins if you got the balance is greater than that. They will pay you once a day. That's pretty good if you are a small miner. For the external wallet, I'm just not gonna talk about today. I'm just only talk about the NastHash wallet. And after you get the bitcoins, you want to withdraw it to your Coinbase. So you must have a Coinbase account. So withdraw to my Coinbase account, the fee is 0 bitcoins. You know, if you withdraw to your own Bitcoin's wallet, there will be 0.2% fee. But if you withdraw to your Coinbase account, there will be 0 fee. And also, it's instant. So just like that, the Bitcoin transfer from the NastHash wallet to your Coinbase wallet. And also the minimum is 0.002 bitcoins. If you mine 0.001 bitcoins per day, then you can transfer your bitcoins in 2 days. So that's pretty good. And next thing, if you want to sell directly from your Coinbase, you will be charged a fee. So let me show you guys right here. So this is my Coinbase wallet. I have 0.0032 bitcoins in here right now, and then I want to sell that. There will be a Coinbase fee, $1.99 Coinbase fee. So the larger amount you have, the more fee they will charge you guys. So this is a chart. It shows you guys how much they charge you. So for USA, the base rate of 4% of all transactions. So US bank account, if you transfer to a US bank account, there will be 1.49%. If you transfer to your credit card or debit card, there will be 3.99%, which is a lot. But also you guys can go check it out about other fees, how much you pay and how it works on their website. But what I'm saying is don't sell directly from Coinbase. Next thing, I'm gonna introduce you guys to JDAX. This website, you can directly sell your Bitcoins, you can buy Bitcoins, you can invest in Bitcoins through this website. This website is part of Coinbase, so you guys don't have to worry about this is some sketchy website. This is not. Coinbase is a really big company, so this is part of Coinbase company, so you guys can be, it's really safe to trading in here, and it shows you all the transactions list right here. So right now I'm making this video, the Bitcoin's price is $10,094. so what I'm going to show you guys is, you see on the left corner it has a balance USD or Bitcoin. So what you need to do is transfer your Bitcoin from your Coinbase account to JDAX account. So you can just use your username and password for your Coinbase to sign in JDAX. What I'm gonna show you guys is deposit. So let me show you guys how this works. So first you want to deposit some Bitcoins here. You can deposit from Coinbase account directly from Bitcoin address, like right here. So what I'm gonna do is deposit from my Coinbase account. I have 0.00326 Bitcoins like I showed you guys earlier, and I want to deposit all of them. So 0.00326 Bitcoins, and then deposit the fund. It's pretty quick. I already have this Bitcoins in my balance right now, and what I'm gonna do is go sell it. So you don't want to sell in the market order, because in the market order the price changes a lot, and also you will pay a fee if you sell your Bitcoins in market order. So you want to sell in limit. So let me put to the limit order 0.00326 Bitcoins, and you have to click allow ticker. So this is for limit. So for the limit price is whatever price you want to put there. For example, I want to put $11,000. When the Bitcoin's price reach $11,000, and it will sell it. And also there's advance. Since right now the Bitcoin's price is not $11,000, it won't sell. You can cancel it anytime. You can cancel it until a time. So you can set up a time, 1 minute or 1 day or 1 hour. Or you can just leave good until cancel. So let me place my sell order. It's success, guys. So when the Bitcoin's price reach $11,000, and my Bitcoins will be sold to cash. So right here you guys can see I have 2 orders pending right now. I have one set up, $11,200. I set up yesterday, and this one I just set right now, the price is $11,000. I can cancel this anytime I want, or I can just leave on the market until the price hit $11,000. So for the limit order is there won't be any fees. You can just deposit back to your bank after you sell that, so which is pretty cool. Alright guys, pretty much that's today's video. I teach you guys how to sell your Bitcoins without any transaction fees. So make sure you guys go check out JDAX, and it's the same, using the same account as your Coinbase account. It's really easy to use, and I'm really happy the Bitcoin's price finally break out $10,000, guys. Some people even saying that Bitcoin's price will be $20,000 by June or July. It could happen, guys. Anything can happen. Nothing is impossible. But for me, I just want to take some profit right now. When the time reach $20,000, you know, I'm still mining. I'm gonna get more Bitcoins anyways. But you never know what's gonna happen tomorrow, next day. When's the time to take the profit? Don't be too greedy. Take the profit. It's not like that's all the Bitcoins I have. I'm gonna keep mining more, and more Bitcoins is coming. But for me, I'm good with Bitcoin's price for $11,000. I'll take the profit, and I'll see what's gonna happen after that. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, make sure you guys do it. When I reach 1,000 subscribers, there will be a giveaway, and also when I reach 10,000 subscribers, I'll give one of you guys a graphic card. So make sure you guys go subscribe, smash the like button, and I'll see you guys next time.